And now to the devastating wildfires burning in the state of Texas. They're now the largest that huge state has ever seen. More than 1 million acres have burned in the panhandle of Texas. The flames scorching homes, leaving dozens of families with nowhere to go. Here's ABC's Tim Pulliam sharing how the threat is not over.
Aerials show the disaster across the Texas panhandle. Vehicles, homes, and livelihoods all burned to the ground. With more than 1 million acres scorched, this is now the biggest wildfire in Texas history. This video from the Fort Worth Fire Department driving through the flames. They've responded to help, the Texas A&M Forest Service saying very little of the fire has been contained. At least one person killed in the town of Stinnett, an 83-year-old woman. Today, snow was falling in that town over the burned-out homes and cars. Folks like Mallory Willem returning home to find there's nothing left.
Oh, made it feel real. Didn't feel real. It still kind of doesn't feel real. Just gut-wrenching.
Dozens fleeing to shelter.
We basically have lost everything. This is the only pair of pants I've got. The shirt. That's it.
This video showing the Hemp Hill County Sheriff's home engulfed in flames. He and his wife barely escaping.
Everybody I know is lucky to be alive, and we'll make it through.
The fire so massive it can be seen from space. First responders say high winds and low humidity causing the fire to spread quickly. In western Oklahoma, a rush to save cattle. Veterinarians estimating wildfires in the city of Gage left $500,000 worth of livestock dead. Forecasters say high humidity and snow in the region will help firefighters, but warm, windy weather returns to the Texas Panhandle this weekend, which could cause problems. Tim Pulliam, ABC News, Los Angeles.